Following the completion of the transaction, the director now owns 8,654 shares of the company's stock valued at approximately $1,585,932.04. The institutional investor held 2.63 million shares of the department and specialty retail stores company at the end of 2017 Q2, valued at $420.78 million, down from 2.90 M at the end of the previous reported quarter. Texan Capital Management, who had been investing in Costco Wholsale Corp for a number of months, seems to be bullish on the $84.22 billion market cap company. About 8.45 M shares traded, or 167.62% up from the average. Gam Ag reported 0.3% of its portfolio in Costco Wholesale Corporation NASDAQCOST. It has outperformed by 8.44% the S&P 500. Hexavest Inc. increased its stake in Wipro Ltd. WIT by 142.91% based on its latest 2017 Q2 regulatory filing with the SEC. The Main Street Research Llc holds 69,523 shares with $11.12 million value, up from 64,704 last quarter. The stock increased 1.81% or $1.38 during the last trading session, reaching $77.51. Vanguard Group Inc. now owns 33,640,766 shares of the retailer's stock valued at $5,380,168,000 after purchasing an additional 937,121 shares in the last quarter. Costco Wholesale Corporation NASDAQCOST has risen 25.14% since December 17, 2016 and is uptrending. It has underperformed by 28.66% the S&P 500. Moreover, Sei Invs Company has 0.12% invested in Danaher Corporation (NYSE) DHR for 371,106 shares. The stock of Costco Wholesale Corporation NASDAQCOST has buy rating given on Monday, June 19 by Cowen Co. Therefore 94% are positive. Skyworks Solutions Inc. had 95 analyst reports since July 27, 2015 according to Trading Signal. As per Friday, January 20th, the company rating was reinitiated by Stifel Nicolaus. The stock now has an average rating of buy and an average price target of $184.20. Guggenheim restated a neutral rating on shares of Costco Wholesale in a research note on Thursday, October 5th. As per Monday, February 6th, the company rating was initiated by Bernstein. Among 18 analysts covering Danaher Corporation, NYSE, DHR, 13 have buy rating, 0 sell and 5 hold. The company was upgraded on Tuesday, June 20th by Northcoast. NASDAQCOST opened at $192.73 on Friday. Bear maintained the stock with buy rating in Thursday, August 31st report. Finally, Telsey Advisory Group boosted their target price on Costco Wholesale from $186 to $195 and gave the stock an outperform rating in a research report on Friday. The stock has buy rating by Robert W. Baird on Thursday, July 27. They expect 62 cents EPS, up 12.73% or 7 cents from last year's 55 cents per share. Investors' sentiment decreased to 1.01 in Q2 2017. It's the same as in 2017 Q1. It dropped as 42 investors sold DHR shares while 311 reduced holdings. Segal Bryant Hamel Limited Co. holds 57,039 shares. The stock increased 0.42% or $4.88 during the last trading session, reaching $1,179.14. The Wisconsin-based State of Wisconsin Invest Board has invested 0.19% in Danaher Corporation, NYSE, DHR. American Assets Investment Management Llc decreased Gilead Sciences Inc. GILD stake by 17.7% reported in 2017 Q2 SEC filing. British Columbia Inv Mgmt Corporation invested in 0.29% or 230,060 shares. Ruffer Llp reported 14.42% stake. 87,837 were reported by Scotia Cap Inc. 3,340 were reported by S&Co. 12,142 are owned by Intersect Capital Ltd. Crestpoint Cap Lc has invested 0.19% in Danaher Corporation, NYSE, DHR. Amarillo Financial Bank owns 0.84% invested in Oracle Corporation, NYSE, ORCL, for 47,609 shares. First Commonwealth Fincl Pa stated it has 0.54% in Danaher Corporation, NYSE, DHR. Among 3 analysts covering Lidl, NYSE, LDL, 3 have buy rating, 0 sell and 0 hold. Therefore 61% are positive. During the same period in the previous year, the firm posted $1.24 earnings per share. Equities analysts predict that Costco Wholesale will post 6.5 earnings per share for the current year. As per Monday, August 28th, the company rating was maintained by BMO Capital Markets. The firm earned buy rating on Monday, May 16th by Deutsche Bank. The stock has buy rating by Piper Jaffray on Wednesday, September 2nd. The rating was maintained by Canaccord Genuity with hold on Wednesday, May 31st. Origin Capital Management Limited Liability Corp invested 2.14% of its portfolio in Costco Wholesale Corporation, NASDAQCOST. The firm has hold rating given on Friday, June 16th by Goldman Sachs. The stock of Costco Wholesale Corporation, NASDAQCOST, earned outperform rating by RBC Capital Markets on Tuesday, May 3rd. Strategic Wealth Advisors Groupinc, which manages about $697.85 million U.S. long portfolio, upped its stake in Intel Corp, NASDAQ INTC, by 122,369 shares to 130,381 shares, valued at $4.40 million in 2017 Q2, according to the filing. It also reduced its holding in Apple Inc., NASDAQ AAPL, by 8,662 shares in the quarter, leaving it with 133,088 shares, and cut its stake in IHS Markit Limited. Investors' sentiment is 1.03 in 2017 Q2. The retailer reported $1.36 earnings per share (EPS) for the quarter, topping the Zacks consensus estimate of $1.35 by 1 cent. Several other hedge funds and other institutional investors also recently made changes to their positions in cost. The firm owned 38,531 shares of the retailer's stock after purchasing an additional 2,473 shares during the quarter. Copyright violation warning. Trustco of Vermont buys 2,473 shares of Costco Wholesale Co. Old Second National Bank of Aurora holds 608 shares, or 0.04% of its portfolio. RG Niederhofer Capital Management holds 5,300 shares, or 7.01% of its portfolio. BNP Paribas Arbitrage SA owns 132,075 shares. NASDAQ Guild, Edgewood Management Limited Liability Corporation, New York-based fund reported 214,424 shares. Seaward Management Limited Partnership holds 0.09%, or 11,125 shares. New York XPO, Oppenheimer and Communications holds 0.1%, or 55,810 shares. Costco Wholesale, NASDAQCOST, last released its quarterly earnings results on Thursday, December 14, 2005 were reported by Cyprus. Costco Wholesale Corporation, NASDAQCOST, has risen 25.14% since December 17, 2016 and is uptrending. Legg Mason Asset Management, Japan, invested 0.38% of its portfolio in Gilead Sciences, Inc. Since September 15, 2017, it had 0 insider buys and 1 insider sale for $147,352 activity. Barclays Capital maintained Costco Wholesale Corporation, NASDAQCOST, rating on Friday, September 23rd. Also, Director John W. Meisenbach sold 3,000 shares of the stock in a transaction that occurred on Friday, December 1st.